Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, welcome to the channel, babes. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, girl, boy, whoever is subscribed. I appreciate you tuning in again today. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm gonna show you how to get this hair style for a low amount of 200 rand or about 13 US dollars. And honestly, that is like really cheap for me to be looking this good. Okay, like I'm not gonna fight with you because I know I look good. I can see that I look good, and if you don't think I look good, then you're a hater. But yeah, some information about this hair. This is actually crochet. Okay, so this is a crochet hairstyle, but then in the front I ended up doing like braid like thingies, simply because I had actually done just like the normal crochet but with hair left out in front, because obviously like I wanted to lay my edges so that I could cover up the beginning of the track and have it not look so crochet. But then when I now came home and did the crochet, I didn't like how far back the crochet was looking and how deep my edges were going. So I was like, let me take matters into my own hands, bruh. And this is what we did. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. What did I use? I used the Darling Ocean Wave. I used 2 packets. The packet itself says 1, but like 1 is enough for a full head of hair. But that's not true because I used the full 2 packets to do this. So I would recommend you get 2 packets at least. Obviously that depends on how bulky you want it to be, but I feel like this is pretty standard, and this was 2 packets. So yeah, how long did it take to do the hair? It took me about 3 hours. Yeah, it took me about 3 hours. So yeah, let's get into it. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you find it useful. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the hair, what you think about crochet in general, and if you'll ever try this. I know crochet was a big thing in like 2015-16, but obviously like we didn't have access to all the things that the cheesy doos and kitanas would talk about. So I don't know, I definitely didn't try crochet like curly hair up until today, and at first I was like, oh Tari, it's outdated, what are you doing? But baby, I look good. Outdated or not, I look good. So yeah, I feel like this is actually really cool, and I am talking too much now, so let's just get into the video, child. Remember to click on that subscribe button, click the like button, and you know, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, let me know how you feel, and support a girl. Okay guys, so I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I'm straight out of the shower. I haven't applied anything, I haven't used heat or nothing. Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna get some cornrows did. Yeah, I don't want to show the person's face, so if you only see me with the cornrows, then yeah, I can't do my own cornrows. So yeah, okay guys, so I forgot to show you the lines that I did, but as you can see, it's just like the normal, you know, cornrows that you'd get under your wig. I didn't bother doing all these fancy things that other crochet videos did because it's not that deep. All you need to have is lines that you can crochet the hair onto, and really you're done. So as you can see, I'm about halfway. I've used a packet. The hair actually has an instruction that says 1 packet is enough for a full head of hair, but it's a lie. So yeah, no, please don't play yourself. So the hair we're using today is the Darling Ocean Wave. This is what it looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So it's actually got like 2 bundles of crochet hair, and it comes with a needle, which is cool. I love that Darling is actually including needles in the packet, because every time I do hair tutorials, people ask me, where do I get a crochet needle? Where do I get a crochet needle? So if you buy the hair, you'll get a needle, but I'll still leave a link down below to where you can actually get a needle on its own. Anywho, this hair is in color number 1. You guys know the vibes already. Like, if there isn't a color that is appealing to me, which is like usually like color 30, color 27, color 35, those are like the colors that I like, then I always go for color 1. And I don't like color like 1B or 2 or 4 because I'm such a like it's jet black or nothing kind of girl. Like either we're going black or we're going color. So yeah, anyway, let me unbox this hair and show you what is in it. Ooh. Okay, so this is the hair out of the packet with my crochet hook. I just want to take it out without harming the curls, child. There we go. So this is what it looks like, and you can see from the back, from these two things tied at the back here, there we go, that it's basically 2 bundles of hair. So I've already used one packet, and I know that the remaining packet is going to be enough for me to do my hair. So now I'm actually going to show you the actual like application part. So I'm just going to show you how I'm crocheting my hair in general, and then in front I'm going to show you how to crochet your hair on so that it doesn't obviously look like crochet. Okay, so I have my first piece of crochet hair here, and I have my needle. So this is very simple. You go to your line, and then you put the needle through the bottom. Okay, so as you can see, my needle is through. I'm moving it around, you can see it. So now I'm going to take that hair and latch the loop on, close, and pull out. Can you see that? So yeah, when I've pulled it out, I take off the hook, and then I open it up like so and pull one strand through the hole like so and tie it, and we're done. Like, crochet is so easy. Obviously, if you want to, you can put the hair through the loop a couple of times. I don't want to do that because I know myself, this hair is probably not going to stay in my head for a long time, which I know is a bad thing because it's not good for my hair, but whatever. So honestly, that is very simple. So if you do want it to last longer, feel free to like loop it more, but I just don't think it's necessary. Yeah, so we're gonna go in with another one. So remember, we said take your hook and put it through the bottom of your cornrow, right? Take your hair and loop it, apply it like so, close your loop, pull it out like so. Remove the hook and pull one strand through the loop like so. So yeah, this is actually really simple. So I'm just going to show you a couple more of my I guess attachments. I don't know what to call this, man, but I'm just gonna crochet my hair a couple more strands on so you can see the process, maybe like 3 more times, and then I will come back in again with the front part so you guys can see what we're gonna do. As you can see, I left some of my natural hair out because that is also gonna be part of the whole blending process, and of course edges, child, edges. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I have a mane. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And I usually open it, my parting on this side, but I had a braid fall out, so this side is like not going to be the side this time. But anyway, I've kind of done a little parting yana situation here, but what we're here to do now is lay the edges. Okay, so you guys know the vibes. Old toothbrush and the yellow got to be, this is the got to be glued waterproof styling gel for screaming hold. So that's what we do here. And you already know, like if you've watched any of my other hair tutorials, we're just gonna swoop. So actually, let me put this back so I can see what I'm doing. But basically, I'm just going to be swooping. Okay Okay, so now that my edges is laid, honey, the last thing that we're gonna do is we're going to make the front look natural. So what we're gonna do is just tease the bottom here. That is gonna help me blend it in. So this is what I mean. You're just gonna take the beginning and then you're gonna start bringing it down, teasing it down like so. Like so. So can you see that? By teasing it, you're fluffing out the ends so they're less defined, like here. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully teased the front of my hair and it's looking good. So now I'm just gonna fix my parting, open it nicely, put some makeup on, come and say my hellos and my goodbyes. So it's the evening now. I just took a shower and I realized that I don't like how much hair I had left here for my edges, because obviously, like, yeah, I don't know, I don't like my cornrows to be like pulled, so I told them to leave some hair in the front, but I realized I don't really like how it looks. So this is what I've decided to do. As you can see, I've decided to go in with braids. So my crochet ends here, but I have just done a thing. So now let me show you what I did. So basically for this part, I took my got to be glued spiking wax. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, this isn't my camera. I don't know why I'm doing that. Anyway, and then I'm taking my black rubber bands left over from my last braiding style, and then I'm just going to make a little partition here. Then I'm going to apply that edge control. So I'm looking into the screen to do this. Here we go. So don't mind me. Right, like so. And I'm going in with the rubber band, like so. So now I'm taking my hair, I'm gonna crochet it on, put the hook through the middle as usual, apply the hair, pull it out, and then just put one hair through the loop and secure it like so. So now I have my little hair. You're probably thinking, Tari, what about the natural hair? Like, as you guys can see, like, it's barely sticking out. So yeah, this is what I've decided to do in front, just because I wasn't really feeling how much hair I had out. So yeah, now this is what my hairline is looking like. So I can still lay my edges, but it's not like hectic. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that because I'm gonna do my intro outro tomorrow, so you're gonna see things a little different. But obviously that just gives you two variations. If you would prefer to leave hair and just like do your edges, cool. I just didn't like how far back the hair was starting for me personally, so I decided to do this, and I love it because I can still tie my hair up and look like I've got braids in the front when I don't. Kind of gives me pick and drop vibes. If you're from Zim, like, you know those braids where you start the braid, plait it a little, and then like leave it. Anyway, let me finish this chow and have some dinner. Okay guys, so it is the next day and this is how we're looking. So the other option that I showed you yesterday, of course, was to just lay your edges and just like, yeah, leave it at that. But I wasn't really comfortable with how like deep the edges were and how far back my crochet was started. So I was just like, okay, let me see what I can do, and this is what we did. So yeah, you saw in the previous clip, so now it looks like I have like braids in front, which is actually really cool. But at the same time, if you're not looking too closely, you're not gonna know what's happening. Okay, so yeah, this actually is looking really good. The hair is also nice and bouncy. It's nice and soft. I love this curl pattern. What? I think it looks really, really nice. Honestly, give it a 10 out of 10. I'm glad that I actually did this. However, I will actually have to see how long this hair lasts. Obviously, that depends on how long it's looking neat, because you guys know me, like, untidy hair gives me anxiety. I would rather take out my hair when it looks untidy and just do a ponytail than to have hair that looks untidy. I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. So we will see, but yeah, I'll definitely do an update. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll put that in a vlog. But this is how it came out. I look like money. Okay, I don't know about money, but I definitely look good. Absolutely glad I used 2 packets, because imagine I had bought the 1 packet that they recommend. It would have ended in tears, premium tears. But anyway, God is good all the time. So yeah, this is how the crochet hair came out. Obviously, you know, I showed you guys step by step what I did, and it was super easy. Didn't even take time for me to do. I think I started doing my hair at like 1 o'clock. And I was done by 4 o'clock. So crocheting my whole head took about 3 hours, which is not long. I think this is the hairstyle that has taken the least amount of time that I've done that's not like a ponytail. So yeah, that was nice. But yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think. So basically I spent $13 to get this hairstyle. What? I look like a bag of money, and all I spent was $13. So yeah, this is actually really cool. Love that for myself. And yeah, I hope you guys check it out too. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you'll try this, if you have tried it, and how you feel about crochet actually. But yeah, that's all for me, y'all. I will catch you in the next one.